To upload TCATs to Seatgeek, you'll need to start by accessing the platform, which can be done through the App Store or by typing seatgeek.com into your browser. Once you've arrived at the website, you can set up an account using your email address and password. After signing in, hover over your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with options including TCATs, Sell, Track, and Log Out. Select TCATs. From there, you'll see your available TCATs and have the option to upload more by clicking the Add button on the right side of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select from various types of TCATs, such as MLB, ML, NCAA, and others. Choose the TCATs you want to upload, locate the corresponding theme, and then link an account. The process is straightforward, and once you've logged in and followed these steps, you can upload as many TCATs as you want to the platform.